Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a project in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. In the bottom right corner we find the new project button. We can just tap on this. Here we can enter the project name. Let's say test 1. We can select the project access. So who has access to the project, who can see it, who can enter into the project file. And then we can just select a default view, either it be a list or a board. Let's say we want to have a list, then we can just tap on create, and here we already created our project. We can just add new tasks. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.